We'll guide you through how to block spam calls on an Android. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Spam calls can get really annoying because they end up just disturbing you as your phone keeps on ringing and you may think that it's for someone important, but in fact it's just a spam call which is unwanted. So we're going to guide you through how you can go about blocking them. There are different ways you can go about this, so make sure this full guide, as then you can go and choose the way that's going to work best for you to go and stop them coming through and disturbing you. So without any further ado, let's go and dive straight into this. So what we can do is go and find the phone app, and you want to go and open it up like so. So in here, what you then need to do is go to the bottom left, go and find the option for keypad, and you can then go and select it. On keypad, we need to go and head to the phone settings, and that is where we can go and start blocking spam calls and scam calls as well. So you can go to the top right here and you'll go and see the magnifying glass and the three dots. You need to go and tap the three dots like so. You'll see some different options here. And what you need to do is you need to go and find settings and you can go and tap there. Now you're going to go and see some different options when this goes and loads. So what you want to do is you want to go and look for the option for block numbers. I think on some devices it can be called block calls as well. You may need to go and scroll down a bit. On this device, it's right at the top, making it really easy to go and find. So you can then go and tap on it. You can go and block calls from unknown numbers. What this means is that if a number is private or is no caller ID, it won't go and come through, it'll be blocked. So you can consider turning that on by doing this. Next, we can come into block spam and scam calls. So what we can do is go and switch this on. And then what's going to happen is it's going to use higher to identify spam and scam callers as well as other callers who aren't in your contacts. So we can go and switch that on. And then what you can do is you can scroll down here and have block spam and scam calls turned on as well. And what we can do is block all spam and scam calls, only block high risk. So you can go and choose between them. I'll do all. And hopefully that's now going to go and stop them from coming through and disturbing me.